Managing a household budget is a crucial skill for achieving financial stability and family well-being. Here are some practical steps you can take to manage your household budget more effectively. The first step in budget management is to record all sources of income and expenses. Make a list of income from salaries, investments, or other sources, and note all monthly expenses such as food, bills, transportation, and more. 2. Create a monthly budget. After tracking income and expenses, create a realistic monthly budget. Set spending limits for each category and make sure to allocate a portion for savings and emergencies. 3. Prioritize needs. Distinguish between needs and wants. Prioritize spending on basic needs such as food, shelter, and education. Avoid unnecessary spending and focus on essential needs. 4. Set financial goals. Setting short-term and long-term financial goals can help you stay focused and motivated. Goals can include saving for a vacation, buying a house, or paying off debt. 5. Monitor and evaluate your budget. Regularly monitor and evaluate your household budget. See if there are any expenses that can be reduced or eliminated. This evaluation will help you identify areas for improvement and keep your budget on track. 6. Use technology to help. Take advantage of financial apps that can help you track expenses, create budgets, and monitor finances more easily. There are many free apps available to help manage your household finances. 7. Involve all family members. Managing a household budget is a shared responsibility. Involve all family members in the planning and financial management process. This will help everyone understand the importance of discipline in managing finances and work together to achieve family financial goals. By implementing these steps, you can manage your household budget more effectively and achieve the desired financial stability. Remember, consistency and discipline are key to success in managing finances.